Discover the latest in tech innovation with our roundup of 13 cool gadgets you can buy on Amazon. From smart home devices to quirky tools, these must-have items will elevate your everyday life and spark your creativity. 13. Walrfid. The Walrfid electronic accessory cleaner is a versatile tool designed for effective cleaning of electronic devices. Featuring a powerful suction function, it efficiently removes dust, dirt, and debris from keyboards, laptops, and other sensitive electronics without causing damage. The cleaner is equipped with multiple attachments to tackle various surfaces, ensuring a thorough clean in hard-to-reach areas. Its compact design makes it portable and easy to use, making it an essential accessory for tech enthusiasts and anyone looking to maintain their gadgets in pristine condition. 12. Zulay Kitchen. The Zulay Kitchen Blender is a versatile and powerful kitchen appliance designed to simplify meal preparation. Featuring a robust motor and sharp stainless steel blades, it effortlessly blends smoothies, soups, sauces, and more in seconds. The easy-to-use design includes a user-friendly control panel, allowing you to customize your blending speed for optimal results. With a sleek and modern look, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Additionally, its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, making the Zulay Kitchen Blender an essential tool for culinary enthusiasts and busy households alike. 10. Dwarf II. The Dwarf II camera is a compact, ultra-lightweight action camera designed for versatility and portability. Weighing just 28 grams, it captures high-quality 4K video and 16MP photos, making it ideal for adventure seekers and content creators. With features like built-in Wi-Fi, a wide-angle lens, and durable construction, the Dwarf II can withstand various environments, from hiking to underwater exploration. Its user-friendly interface and long battery life ensure you won't miss a moment. Whether you're documenting your travels or extreme sports, this camera delivers stunning performance in a tiny package. 9. Miniproca. The Miniproca all-in-one mini PC is a compact powerhouse designed for efficiency and versatility. Featuring a sleek, space-saving design, this mini PC integrates a powerful processor, ample RAM, and storage options, making it perfect for home, office, or entertainment use. With its user-friendly interface, it supports various operating systems and applications, ensuring seamless performance for tasks like browsing, streaming, and productivity. The built-in connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, enhance convenience, while its energy-efficient design makes it an eco-friendly choice for modern computing needs. 8. AddAcc Desk Fan. The AddAcc Desk Fan is a versatile and portable solution for staying cool wherever you are. With a sleek design and rechargeable battery, this fan offers 3 adjustable speed settings to meet your cooling needs. It operates quietly, making it perfect for use in offices, bedrooms, or during outdoor activities. The 360-degree rotation allows for optimal airflow direction, while its compact size makes it easy to transport. Additionally, the built-in LED light provides extra functionality, making the AddAcc Desk Fan a practical choice for comfort and convenience. 7. Rux AI Desktop Robot. The Rux AI Desktop Robot is a versatile and interactive companion designed to enhance your workspace. Equipped with advanced AI technology, it can assist with various tasks, including scheduling reminders, managing emails, and providing real-time updates. Its sleek design fits seamlessly on your desk, while its intuitive voice recognition allows for hands-free operation. With customizable features, you can personalize your Rux experience to suit your needs. Ideal for professionals and students alike, this robot enhances productivity and adds a touch of innovation to your daily routine. 6. Best Your Fireplace TV Stand Preview. The Best Your Fireplace TV Stand combines functionality and style, making it an ideal centerpiece for any living room. Designed to accommodate TVs up to 65 inches, it features a modern aesthetic with adjustable shelves for ample storage of media devices and decor. The built-in electric fireplace creates a cozy ambience, providing warmth and comfort during chilly nights. With easy assembly and a durable construction, this versatile furniture piece enhances your home's decor while offering practical solutions for organization and entertainment, all in one elegant package. 5. Zore X Core. The magnetic gun mount with Zore X Safety Lock offers a secure and innovative solution for gun storage. Designed to keep your firearm readily accessible while ensuring safety, this mount utilizes powerful magnets to securely hold your gun in place. The Zore X Safety Lock adds an extra layer of security, preventing unauthorized access. Its sleek design allows for easy installation on walls or furniture, making it an ideal choice for home defense or display. With this mount, you can maintain peace of mind while showcasing your firearm safely. 4. Ikarao Break X1. The karaoke machine for adults is the ultimate all-in-one entertainment system, perfect for parties and gatherings. Featuring a built-in 13.3 inches screen, it displays lyrics for easy sing-alongs. With 800W of powerful Bluetooth speaker output, It delivers impressive sound quality that keeps the energy high. This karaoke machine includes 2 wireless microphones that are hidden and self-charging, ensuring you're always ready to perform. Its sleek design fits seamlessly in any setting, making it an ideal choice for both casual get-togethers and lively celebrations. 3. Zhiyun M40. The Zhiyun M40 LED video light is a powerful and portable lighting solution perfect for photography and videography. With a brightness of 14,000 lux at 0.3 meters and a bi-color range of 2,700K to 6,200K, it offers versatile lighting options for any setting. Featuring a high color rendering index, it ensures accurate color reproduction. The built-in fans provide efficient cooling during extended use, while PD fast charging support allows for quick recharges. Its compact design makes it an ideal choice for on-the-go creatives. 2. Emebay RC Drone Car. The Emebay 2.4 G-Land Air Dual Mode RC Drone Radio Control Car, H103 offers an exciting 2-in-1 experience, allowing users to seamlessly transition between flying and driving. This versatile UAV features a durable design and is equipped with headless mode for easy control, making it suitable for beginners and experienced pilots alike. With a 2.4G remote control, it ensures a stable connection and enhances gameplay. Whether soaring through the skies or navigating terrains, the H103 delivers endless fun and adventure for both kids and adults. 1. Urban Armor Gear Case. The Urban Armor Gear UAG Monarch Pro Case is a limited edition protective cover designed for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Made from forged carbon fiber with striking orange accents, this rugged case offers superior durability and style. Its built-in magnet ensures compatibility with MagSafe accessories, allowing for easy attachment of chargers and other gadgets. The case features reinforced corners and a lightweight design, providing robust protection against drops and impacts while maintaining a sleek profile. Elevate your device's protection with this stylish and functional UAG case. Thanks for watching our showcase of 13 cool gadgets you can buy on Amazon. We hope you found some exciting new tools and tech to enhance your life. If you liked any of the products featured, check the links in the description for more details and the latest prices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cool gadget finds and reviews. See you next time.